but completely boa construct. Boa construct means boa is in mud also, there are in tree also, the both. Okay, mandalgade hogote, tree mele irutte, there are both. Okay, so this is a reptile boa. This is a Colombian reptile boa. Native place of South and North Africa. This animal non-venomous snake, Visha illa have. Okay, so there are the venomous snake means there are the two teeth. We call for fangs that one. Okay, non-venomous snake. This is a non-venomous snake, Visha illa have. Then how much teeth is there? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No teeth. Okay, because the snake will not use the Colgate and closer. Yeah, so we also non-venomous, non-poisonous. We have the mouthful teeth. Like that, non-venomous snake. All the non-venomous snake, there are the mouthful teeth. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋ ಹಾವುಗಳಿಗೆ ಬಾಯಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಹಲ್ಲಿರ್ತದೆ. So this snake have 180 teeth. 180 ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳಿದೆ. Okay, so yeah, now is a 4.5 feet. It will be grow up 13 to 15 feet also. Is a lifespan 30 to 30 years will be maybe. When is the wild time? There is a maybe 16 to 18 years. That's it. When is the captivity? There is a more than, right? Yeah, and this snake will giving for the everyone to introduction. So this snake never ever will be bitten someone. 99.9%. Okay, 0.1% chance to bite. I teach you how to hold, how to handle this animal. Suppose ಯಾರೋ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಸರ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಪುಟ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಶೋಲ್ಡರ್, ನಾನು ಶಿವಂತರ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಬೇಕು ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪುಟ್ ಇನ್ ಶೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಅನ್ನಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ನೇಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪೈಥಾನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೆಕ್, ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸುತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ ಕತ್ತಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪುಟ್ ಇನ್ ಶೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 0.1%. ಯಾರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ಗಿವ್ ಮಿ ಸ್ನೇಕ್, ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಕಿಸ್ ದೆಮ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 0.1% ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ask them. Okay, because I am not YouTuber, I am a rescuer, I am an animal educator. Okay, there are the two animals. These animals, what you call? Iguana. Yes, looking like it's so scary, right? So look at it, Godzilla. Oh my God. Okay, he's not will be totally friendly animal, not for herbivore. This one not for carnivore animal. So look here, bite me, you never bite. Yeah, because there's a herbivore. Sasyahari, you never eat and insects and all. Okay, yeah. Surya will be there. So you all go that side, take the photo, video that animal. Don't waste your time.